Yeah. Track's a slash 2-wheel drive. Pop's got a new body for his truck. Track is great today. Been raining last few days. All that water's soaked in. All the dust is gone. All the loose stuff is gone. It is grip. It is nothing but grip today. The track is real good right now. So here's the layout for today, how we're going to use it. We're going to use the oval, the outside here. As you hit the back side over here, we're going to go back into the woods, the rally section. Except for we're not going to use the full course. You're going to shoot down this straightaway, hit this back corner, loop behind the trees over here. This is flagged off. You got a hairpin back here, hairpin this corner, shoot down this way to the bend in the oval, and reconnect on the oval on that side, zip around there, follow it back through, and hit it again. Well, of course, we got to add a jump to this section, you know, make it cool. A lot of grip today on the track. Man, that rain really helped out. A lot of fun. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping, watching the vids. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.